Hey doll, it's Kristen. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the 2025 Ballet Wishes Barbie with the Odile face mold. I have had her for about a month now. I've just been waiting to I was deciding if I wanted to unbox her, and then I decided I did because I definitely want her on my shelf and I don't have room for the box. And then I decided to do a video for it. So here we are. Let's go ahead and dive in. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I love her so much. I love the Odile face mold. I love her. I love everything about this Barbie, and when I saw she had the Odile face mold and the overall aesthetic and quality look of it, I knew I had to get her. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love her. Okay, let me get her the rest of the way out so we can do the full review. We have this in the box. It also has the little base of our stand in it. Let's see. Ballet Wishes Barbie signature doll. I love this base. It's like sparkly clear. I can't decide if I'd rather it be like sparkly pink, but I definitely love the sparkly clear. So far, this has been minimal tape and little plastic T-tags. It's these that are put through the cardboard and they're not taped down or tagged down. And I appreciate that so much. Just getting them all folded down so I can do a good little, hopefully, pull that gets this all out. I am delighted by how easy that was. Hold on, I need to do the feet. And with that, she is released from the box. I need to release her from the rest of her plastic. We've gotten this far, and this is the first time I've needed scissors. This is amazing. Let's keep doing this for future Barbies. And honestly, this is even situated in a way where you don't really need scissors. I just need them to make them easier because I have these long nails that are making everything difficult. Still got the T-tags in the back of the head though. We can't escape it. Can we stop? Her hair is annoyingly strapped in by like a bunch of elastics. But still, this is the least horrific unboxing I've done in a while. Oh yeah, and here is the back of the box. It says Ballet Wishes Barbie doll on it. It has this little message, which reads, "From classic ballet slippers to enchanting point shoes, Barbie Ballet Wishes doll celebrates every ballerina's delightful moments on and off stage." And I imagine if you were giving this to a ballerina in your life, you could write a little message on there, or to anyone in your life, but I imagine that's who it's meant for. But yes, super cute. Got the little ballet pink stage curtain. Adorable. Here's the barcode for folks who are interested. I got her for $29.99. I think that's the original sale price, and I think that's what she's still listed for on Amazon. Here we got the base and the stand. The stand's interesting. I feel like I'm going to be silly and not quite sure. I'm not really going to know how to use it, but I think she'll sit down into it. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so there's the stand. This top part moves around. And without further ado, here is our Ballet Wishes Barbie. Oh my gosh. I love her so much. I love her so much. Oh my gosh. I love her pinkness. Ah, I love her face. Let's get into it. Okay, so the Odile face mold. Oh, I love it so much. What do y'all think of it? I love her little beauty mark in this one. I can't remember if all the Odile face molds have a beauty mark, but she does. My one, it's not even a complaint. It's just me being like a 90s baby and knowing that it could be an option. I wish she had the classic 90s Barbie blue eye shadow and eyeliner, like just the blue eye makeup. I love that. And some of the Odile dolls do. I think the Playline one does, and the, what is it, the pink gala one, whichever one she is in the pink dress, I believe that one has the blue eye makeup as well. So that is, if I can complain, that is my one complaint, is I wish she had that blue eye makeup. But oh my gosh, she is so beautiful. Much like the minimal plastic taggy packaging, her hair feels pretty decent. It doesn't have like a ton of product in it, making it crunchy. It does feel like the tiny bit producty, sticky, but not really. Her hair is nice. I always wish it was a bit longer. I just like long doll hair because I like to sit here and do this when I'm like watching TV and holding one in my lap or something. But her hair is nice. It has a very cute wave. It is as advertised. And the high ponytail is nice. There's no real flyaways in there. She has this adorable little crown. This could be fancier, but you know what, whatever. Given Mattel these days, it's fine. It's just this kind of little, is it pearlescent? Kind of little like pearlescent, iridescent, white little crown thing. She has these pearl earrings. Oh, look at how beautiful she is. Oh, look at how beautiful. And of course, as you can see, she has many points of articulation. I do wish one thing for the Ballet Barbie. And it might be, but I just can't see it. No, I wish the ankles were articulated, but that's okay. She has head articulation, of course. Is she articulated in the waist? She is articulated in the waist. She has the shoulder, elbow, wrists, waist, hip, knee. So we can't really complain there. But, oh, she's so beautiful. But yeah, she has her pearl earrings. She has this beautiful tutu. It has little like silk ribbon spaghetti straps holding it up, but it also has this beautiful tulle detail as well. I am very pleased with the quality of this fabric. We have this nice, you know, Barbie level silky material. We have a hem on it. Love a hem. We have some nice stitching going on. We have a layer of tulle underneath to give it this beautiful tutu effect. And this is what it looks like in the back. The fabric goes all the way around. We can Velcro it and take it off. I'm not going to, but it fits on like a little leotard, as you can see. We have these nice stockings on her. Mine didn't come with any runs. I didn't see that that was a problem. I'm just noting that my stockings are in great shape. And then she has these adorable ballet slippers that lace up with the silky ribbon. Oh my gosh, So cute. Oh my goodness. Ah! I love it so much. I think in the stock photos, if I remember correctly, the ballet slippers looked more like a ballet pink and not a hot pink. Like the slippers themselves were more this color, but I really like the hot pink. It matches the outfit quite nicely. But I love her. I'm so pleased. I am very excited I took her out of the box. And she is going to look so beautiful on my doll shelf with my other Barbies that I have on display right now. Ugh, I love her so much. I am thankful that she is this kind of articulated and not the made to move type articulation. I hate how the made to move elbows and knees and joints really look. So this reminds me more of how the Dream Besties are articulated, that style. Oh my goodness, I love her. What do y'all think? Does anyone want to get her out there? I don't think she's on sale yet, at least not where I have seen, but oh my gosh, I am so pleased. I have no regrets. Oh, I think she's so gorgeous. I might wash her hair at some point just to get it a bit more silky to the touch. But oh, I really have no complaints. And she came out of the box beautifully. No defects. I love her. And let me see. She doesn't have like super pixelated eyes either. So I like the look of the screening. Like I said, I wish it was the blue eye makeup, but the quality of it seems to be great. So I love that. Love her. No regrets. I do wish I had gotten her on sale just because $30 is a little steep for a doll that doesn't really come with much, but like I said, I think the quality is really here. I am loving this tutu. I love the stockings. I love the ballet slippers, and her articulation is awesome. Really, the only thing I think it's missing is the ankle articulation, but I don't know. That's fine with me. But I love her 2025 Ballet Wishes Barbie. Let's figure out how this stand works. I think this little back part almost looks like a little bottom indicates that that is the part that goes behind her, and this is the front of it, the piece that goes in the front. So let me see here. Must do this with confidence. I am a bit afraid that I'm going to give her a run in her stockings though. Yes, that is how you do it. You lower her on that way. Okay, doll, that's 2025 Ballet Wishes Barbie with the Odile face mold. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing video, and if you've been on the fence about getting 2025 Ballet Wishes Barbie, I hope this video helped you make a decision one way or another. But I appreciate you watching. Good morning, day, afternoon, evening, wherever you are, and we'll see you next time. Bye.